EnglishFast, helping intermediate learners of English build vocabulary fast. CEFR B1. Advise, knowledge, obvious. Advise. Advise is a verb. B1 learners usually know advise. To advise is to tell someone what you think they should do. Here are some examples. He likes to advise his younger brother. What do you advise me to do? The teachers advised the students to review their vocabulary often. Knowledge. Knowledge is a noun. B1 learners usually know knowledge. Knowledge refers to the understanding of facts, truths and skills that come from education and experience. Here are some examples. He has a lot of knowledge in many areas. Your knowledge of our country's geography is greater than mine. They gained knowledge as a result of the courses they attended. Obvious. Obvious is an adjective. B1 learners usually know obvious. Obvious describes something that is clear and easy to see. Here are some examples. His ability in managing others is obvious. It may be clear to you, but it is not obvious to me. There was an obvious delay while they waited for the VIP to arrive. Now write some of your own sentences with advise, knowledge and obvious. Download the free B1 workbook sample from EnglishFast.co.uk. Subscribe on YouTube to learn more.